Hello everyone, this is Daniel Vlasceanu and
Stefan
from Vlasceanu and Partners, and we are happy to give you today a couple of thoughts on our law firm and to be present with you today at the AGM of LA Law for 2021. We started roughly 5 years ago. Myself and Stefan, we know each other and we've been working together for more than 12 years now. But in this setup with Vlasceanu and Partners for roughly 5 years, as I mentioned. What made us start our law firm? I think it was simply a crazy thought back in 2016 when both of us were working in the largest oil and gas company in the South Eastern Europe region, and with that background, we said, how about if we are to start something of our own? And there we are, 5 years down the road. We set up an enterprise, a law firm that is now recognized on the Romanian energy market, and yeah, many years to come.
It's nice to take the time and look at this journey up to this moment. It made us proud. I was saying we first started in 2016. It was Daniel, myself, and one other colleague. And now, 5 years later, we are a team of 6 people. We're young, dynamic, ambitious, and since we are talking about people, I'd like to take the chance and the opportunity of saying that in the end, we have to thank to our colleagues, because without them, for sure, our results and our path wouldn't be the same.
With respect to the areas that we cover, I would say that we're focusing on energy and environmental aspects. That is from a broad economic perspective. But from a strictly legal perspective, the areas, the legal fields that we're covering are quite broad. And I will only list them here very briefly. I would say that we are doing corporate and commercial. We're doing real estate, we're doing labor, we're doing GDPR, public procurement, competition. We're also doing data processing. So quite a very diverse and broad spectrum of legal areas that we're covering. All of them somehow around the energy and environmental projects that we've been entrusted with.
Domestically, we are active. We are in 2019. We organized an event of our own. Which was, I would say, a pretty good success. With the attendance of more than 100 participants, which for the Romanian market means a lot.
Most of our clients were present at that event, and some of them already asking whether we intend to organize another one. Simply because the event nurtured or facilitated, if you want, discussions between them and discussions on needs that they have. Talking about our clients, I should say that most of our portfolio is formed of international clients, either local affiliates or directly present multinational companies that are active in the environmental and in the energy field. Here in Romania, most of them, we're taking great pride to say that we have the largest, the European energy producer with the largest operational portfolio of renewable wind and solar parks. At the domestic level, we have the largest private gas producer. So we're working primarily in an international environment, and from this perspective, I take the opportunity to say that we're proud members of LA Law because it facilitates. We believe that also facilitates the growth of our portfolio and interrelationship with other colleagues from different jurisdictions. Pretty much, we have also here on the domestic level the largest petroleum service company that is held by Romanian equity. Pretty much this is the portfolio of clients that we're covering.
I will share with you the 2 ideas that we thought defines us as people. First of all, excellence is never an accident, and choice, not chance, determines your destiny. I think those ideas where we touched from the very beginning up to this moment, and are the facts and the ideas that defines us the best.
In a couple of years, we see ourselves also working on the renewable projects. That gives us a lot of professional satisfaction and, if you want, subjective satisfaction that we're contributing through our work, through our activity to a sustainable development. And even us as lawyers, we can help the planet, we can help the mankind, we can help each other towards a more sustainable future and towards a greener future. These are also a few ideas about where we see each other in a couple of years and what we will be doing. Yeah, with this, I will just conclude our presentation by saying that we're happy to be here. We're happy that we've been given this opportunity to present ourselves. We hope that we will be part, even though we're members for only 6 months, we hope to be part of the Alilo network growth. And I'm looking forward for the next discussions in the AGM. Good luck and fruitful discussions in the next hours. Thank you very much.
Stay safe.